I want to show you how to create split screen slice transition in Premiere Pro. Click and highlight all your clips, then go over to Effects and search for Crop and add the effect to your videos. Now, highlight the top clip and go over to Effect Controls, then modify the bottom crop to 66% and click the stopwatch icon beside position. Adjust the X position value until your clip just disappears off the screen. Then move ahead 6 frames and reset the position by clicking here. Select your middle clip now and adjust the bottom crop to 28%. Then click the stopwatch icon beside position again. Now adjust the X position until your clip just disappears off the screen again. Then move ahead 6 frames and reset the position. Select your bottom clip and click the stopwatch icon beside position again. Now move the position until your clip just disappears off the screen. Then move ahead 6 frames and reset the position. To add line dividers, click your pen tool and trace the edge. Then go over to Essential Graphics and check off the stroke and modify the thickness to whatever you want.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.